So, hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. So, if you're new here, please consider subscribing and click that notification bell so that you will be notified on our new uploads. So, if napapansin nyo, meron na tayong lavalier microphone. Ito ay a Boya, yung in-unbox natin last video. This is a Boya BY-M1 lavalier lapel microphone. So, medyo okay na yung boses natin. Medyo maganda na. So, thank you sa mga nag-comments before na i-improve ko daw yung voice quality ng videos ko. So, ito na po siya guys. Thank you for that suggestion. So, right now, without further ado, we will do this unboxing of Nokia 3310. Sa mga batang 90s dyan, so siguro you have this, one of your phones before. Medyo madaming nagkaiba sa features nito. So, right now kasi medyo manipis na and yung before kasi medyo makapal, yung lumang design. And then, colored na siya, dual SIM. And then, let's check kung ano pa yung mga additional features na in-improve ng Nokia phone na to. So, binili ko lang to for about 1,999. There are two versions of Nokia 3310, the 2G and the 3G versions. Ang kinuha ko lang is 2G para mas mura kasi backup phone ko lang naman siya. So, we'll do the unboxing of the Nokia 3310 2G version. So ito yung phone itself. So, this is the phone. We will do this. Charger. So, this is a headset. Sa documentation na. So, this is the phone. Bumili na rin ako ng SIM card. It's a Globe SIM card, 45 pesos. That's the SIM card. So, ito yung loob. So, tingnan nyo guys, sobrang nipis na po siya compared dun sa before na version, yung pinakaunang 3310. So, makikita nyo, ito yung SIM 1, SIM 2, and then on top of the SIM 1 is the micro SD. Let's check. That's the camera. Ayan. Medyo malabo kasi 2 megapixels lang siya. Okay, pwede na. So basically, that's it guys. So yun yung pinaka main function lang naman ito is call and text. Internet, not so. Mabagal kasi 2G connection lang. Siguro yung 3G connection pwede pa. Playing music, if you have a micro SD, then you can download a music, load it to your micro SD and play it here, insert it here kasi meron siyang micro SD slot. And then Ano pa ba? FM radios, pwede calculator, yung mga basic na pwede nyo paggagamitan nito. So, that's it. That's it for now, guys, and see you on our next video. Bye!